Okay, see question number 2. N minus 1 CR is equal to k square minus 8 into n CR plus 1. If and only if for k value, see k value how to find here. Answer should be this one. Okay, k belongs to closed interval of minus 3 to open interval of minus 2 root 2 union open interval of 2 root 2 to closed interval of 3. This answer should come. Okay, let us see how we are going to tackle this question now. Okay. Okay, now see, shall I write like this? See, n minus 1 CR divided by n CR plus 1 is equal to k square minus 8. Okay. Okay, now see, n minus 1 factorial by r factorial into n minus 1 minus r factorial divided by means here denominator has to come n factorial r plus 1 factorial n minus r minus 1 factorial. This is equal to k square minus 8. Okay. Now see here n minus 1 is there, here n is there. You don't do n minus 1, you keep like this only. Into, see, numerator I am seeing r plus 1, but r is there. That means see r plus 1 into r factorial. See n minus 1, n minus 1. This factorial you cancel out. Okay. And divided by r factorial n into n minus 1 factorial. Okay. That is equal to k square minus 8. See now n minus 1 factorial, n minus 1 factorial, r factorial. If I cancel r plus 1 by n is equal to k square minus 8. Okay, this result will come. R plus 1 by n is equal to. Now here no factorial. Okay. Now wait. Why? Because see here r plus 1 and r both are there. R plus 1 if it is there, see what will happen. R plus 1 is greater than or equal to g and also r is greater than or equal to 0. Okay. Now which one you have to take? You have to take this one. Why? Because see, if r plus 1 is greater than or equal to 0, if r plus 1 is equal to 0, if you take r is equal to minus 1, r is equal to minus 1 is not possible. That is why you avoid this, you take only this. R is greater than or equal to 0. Understand? In this case, if r is greater than or equal to 0, even if it is equal to 0 also, 1 by n is greater than 0. Understand? See, in this case, if r is greater than or equal to 0, if at all r is 0 also, r plus 1 by n implies r plus 1 by n. I am writing here. Okay. That means see, even if r is 0 also, 1 by n is greater than 0. Okay. R plus 1 by n, 1 by n is greater than 0. Or else, we will take this one only. R plus 1 by n is greater than 0. That means see, k square minus 8 is greater than 0. Why? Because this is greater than 0. Greater than 0. K square minus 8 is greater than 0. K square 8 is minus greater than 0 means see, shall I take k plus 2 root 2 into k minus 2 root 2 should be greater than 0. Is it okay? Okay. Now what is the k value? K belongs to minus infinity to minus 2 root 2. Both are open interval. Why? Because the only greater than 0 we are taking here. Don't forget. Union 2 root 2 to plus infinity open interval. Okay. This value box. Why? Because see, only this value is not going to help us. If you see answer. Okay. Now you see Earlier we have taken r is greater than or equal to 0. Okay. Now r plus 1 is also greater than or equal to 0. Okay, this one. And see, r plus 1 by n is also greater than or equal to 0. That means what we can say, n is greater than or equal to r plus 1. Your n is greater than or equal to r plus 1. N may be equal to r plus 1 and also greater than. Okay, this equation is very important. Inequation, not exact equation, inequation. That is very important. Okay, now what I can say? Rather than r plus 1, shall I write 1 n? That means see 1. If you multiply, if you divide both sides, with n, 1 is greater than or equal to r plus 1 by n. What I have done here, divided by n. Okay, see this one you have taken, n is greater than or equal to r plus 1 here. This is very important. Divided by n both sides. That means what I have done, n by n, r plus 1 by n. Okay, n by n is 1. 1 is greater than or equal to r plus 1 by n. Or else 1 is greater than or equal to r plus 1 by 8 is your k square minus 8. This is very important. Then see, k square minus 8 is less than or equal to 1. Okay. Then k square minus 9 is less than or equal to 0. Okay, now with that also we will get some other equation. See, k plus 3 into k minus 3 is less than or equal to 0. In this case, k belongs to minus 3 to plus 3, but closed interval. Why? Because here equal to also is there. Okay, now k value, two values have come, minus infinity to minus 2 root 2, 2 root 2 infinity, and this. Now what will happen? Why? Because see, minus 2 root 2 is 2.8, less than 3. That means see, in number line this comes before, afterwards only 3 comes. Here also. That means shall I write k belongs to minus 2 root 2 to minus 3, closed interval this side, but this side open interval, union, again open interval, plus 2 root 2 to closed interval. Okay, shall I write like this? Oh, minus 3. See, this is lesser. That means you have to reverse it. Minus 3 to t root 2. Okay. Is it okay? See what I want to say. First write this number line. See, this is 0, this is minus infinity, this is plus infinity. See, this is minus 2 root 2, this is minus 3, this is plus 2 root 2, this is plus 3. Okay. See, first of all, first one is minus infinity to minus 2 root 2 open interval. Here also plus 2 root 2 plus infinity open interval. Second one minus 3 to plus 3, but closed interval. Closed bubble. Now you have to take this only, minus 3 closed interval to 2 root 2 open interval, union 2 root 2 open interval plus 3 closed interval. Okay, this will be your answer. Okay, let us go for next question.